Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Dor-O-Matic PB81 RRING.102. This is a package of 10 retaining rings, and that's how they're sold, at least at this point. And this video is basically going to show you where the supporting documentation is located for this, the exploded parts manual, first some size information. Outside diameter of this retaining ring, 0.46 inch. 0.46 inch outside diameter. The thickness of the ring, 0.025 thick. The ID between the tangs, .277, right between the two tangs right there, right across from each other. Point of supplying that information is so that if you have one in your hand, it will help you identify hopefully what it is. That was the point. So why don't we switch to the screen view and we'll take a closer look at all of our supporting information. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Here's the item that we are looking at. PB81 RRING.102. So that ring is going to sit, well, let's pull up. That is going to be a hub assembly that's there. Helps drive, it's what's responsible for partially driving the unit. Let's pull up the 2090 series parts drawing. It'll be easier to see all of it with all the part numbers available to us. Okay, so it's going to be part number 26. And when we look at the exploded parts drawing, again, part number 26 is what we're dealing with. Part 16, let's see what that's called properly. Yeah, latch bolt retractor. Okay, so what happens is the latch bolt retractor goes down over the mounting assembly case, over the post, and the retaining ring obviously keeps the latch bolt retractor in place. That's its purpose. Part 14 is interesting. Latch link. Yeah, I don't have a device here to take apart and to show you, but nonetheless, here are all the parts. That's where your ring comes into play. This client ordered 3 line items of replacement parts for the exit device that is being worked on, and this parts drawing is really very handy and helpful to determine what's needed. Generally, what I find is people will call and say it's not working, and sometimes the advice is, well, start disassembling it and inspecting its operation till you can clearly determine some part that's worn, and that's the best way to fix these. And this drawing is there for your use. There is some images that we have. There's the package. When you buy one, you're currently getting a package of 10. That's just how they're sold. That was the 0.27 inch. I forget what I had said there. Okay, that's what that ring looks like. There's a link below this video, as seen here, to the manufacturer's page. And from here, you can pull up not only all of the Dor-O-Matic products we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. You'll notice that that catalog is well over a decade old. Well, that's because Dor-O-Matic was rebranded to Falcon. So if you want to see the Dor-O-Matic line as it exists today, it's currently under the Falcon name. Anywhere you find manufacturers, click on that, and then when that page loads, do a find function, Control F on your keyboard, paste Falcon there, and you'll pull up the Falcon manufacturer's page. And this is where all the current material is. Your Dor-O-Matic material is now branded under Falcon, and that's just how that is. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. So hopefully this video was of some benefit to you, showing you the dimensions of the retaining ring and where it's used. The folks over at Allegion, which is the company that the Falcon/Dor-O-Matic name is under, they have a culture of excellence when it comes to technical support, whether it be Dor-O-Matic or Falcon sister companies like Schlage, LCN, Von Duprin, Glenn Johnson, Ives, Zero, many others. So if you have an exit device that's under the Allegion umbrella, which is going to be Falcon exit devices now, which were Monarch, that turned into Falcon, Dor-O-Matic turned into Falcon, and obviously Von Duprin. Feel free to reach out to us. The folks over there are just exceptional. Just tech support in the industry is very good. And the folks that work at those Allegion places are absolutely no exception. So don't hesitate to ask any questions about the RRING.102. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.